right, here we go. Got another partnership here for Start Fishing Today. Partner here is CanFish. Now, I've been trying to think of different ways to get some more excitement into my videos, and with a lot of research, I think I found it. This is, again, CanFish. They're operated by the chasing company. Let's see what this is. Ooh, there it is. Nice Fishing CamX. CanFish Fish CamX lure fishing camera. Alright, put that aside. Let's take a look at this thing. Alright, so we got camera. What do we got here? 136-degree ultra wide angle. We got extended battery life, so 138 minutes of runtime. Let's see what else. 656 feet. Waterproof. What else do we got on this cover? 164 feet. So this is Wi-Fi with wireless charging. Anything here? What's included in the box? In the package, we got one camera. We got a floating circle. Got the wireless charger, charging cable, and one-piece datagram. I think that's an SD card, or maybe it's just informational sheet. But figure it out. All right, let's take a look. And just on this side of the package, we can see it's for lure fishing, trolling, float fishing, bottom fishing. All right, let's see what we got here. All right, nothing in there. Set that over there. All right, take this foam piece out. Or do we take the camera out first? I don't know. Okay, that comes out. Here's the camera. Go ahead and... It's pretty lightweight. I'd say, I haven't looked at it to see the exact weight, but I'd say maybe 2 ounce maybe. Set that aside first. Let's look at the information in here. We got a little certificate. Comes with each one, I guess. Certificate, name, chasing underwater robot inspector. Okay, whatever. So we got a dear valued customer. Little disclosure here, so we can take a look at that at your leisure. What do we got here? What else? This is the instruction, I guess. Different languages. So here's the English version. Waterproof performance, vibration performance, privacy, use at your own risk, some tips. Okay, take a look at that at your leisure. What else do we got in here? Let's dump this stuff out. Alright, we got, let's see, I don't know what this is. Let's give it a shot. Whoops, I have a feeling I wasn't supposed to rip that. Alright, this is the, looks like a little floaty here. Probably for, not even look at the instructions yet, but I imagine it's for operating it like this, but I'm not gonna force that in here now. Okay, so we got the floaty. What else is this? This has to be the charger. Okay. Charging station. USB. So if you have an existing USB charger, you can plug this right in. Otherwise, you have to, looks like you have to get a USB charger, and then this will plug right into here. And just go ahead and set that in like that and charge. Okay. On off switch right there. Let's see what happens. Is it charged enough? Looks, there's an orange light there. I don't know if that means it's on, but please pause video before turning off. I think it's got a little blinking light there. Now it's on. Okay. Turn that off. May or may not have been supposed to do that, but we'll see. All right. Like I said, it's not too heavy. I think mostly this is probably going to be used for, like I said, on the kayak or float tube, because it's not light, but it's definitely not super heavy. So as long as you retrieve quickly, I should be fine. It's going to be really super cool, I think, when I go to use this on boats. So I can use it on boats for either with the A-rig or with a lure, and that's going to be really cool. Watching like calico bass, barracuda. Maybe even if I'm lucky, get some yellowtail on, yellowtail footage on this. But yeah, CanFish Fishing CamX. They have two other cameras. One's kind of like the more expensive one is a water drone. So you have it on the water and it goes around, and you have the camera pointing down, so you can move all around with that. They also have a stationary one that you can toss out there, and it goes down to the bottom, and it can film on the bottom. whereas this one's mostly used for the fishing. I can show it to you right here. This is not the one I'm wanting. Is it this one? Nope, I'll just show it to you on this one. So as you can see, there's your main line to the camera, and then to secondary line or leader line to the lure. But yeah, that's how you charge it. Plug it in either to USB port on a computer or wall, whatever. Slide this camera right in there like that, and you're good to go. But yeah, I don't think there's anything else in here. Nothing else in here. So there you have it. Another partner. Definitely go down into the description below so you can see the special important information regarding this and the partnership. So yeah, CanFish Fishing CamX. That is where the next stage of my fishing fun is going. Hope you enjoyed the video. Your turn to get one. You get some.